Welcome to today's video with the title, Tripling Corn Harvest Yield, How Technology Revolutionizes American Agriculture. In today's session, we will explore how technology is being applied to enhance productivity in each corn harvesting season on American farms. American farmers are demonstrating how they can boost corn production to meet the demands of both domestic and international markets. To produce corn kernels, the process begins with selecting crop seeds. American farmers have researched and applied advanced technologies to develop high-quality corn varieties that are drought-resistant and pest-resistant. For example, they can use gene selection techniques to create corn varieties with better heat tolerance and drought resistance. After selecting the seeds, farmers use technology to ensure accuracy in seeding and fertilization. GPS technology and sensors help farmers determine the position and amount of seeds needed for each plot of land, optimizing resource use and reducing waste. The Global Positioning System, GPS, is integrated into agricultural machinery such as seeders and fertilizer spreaders, enabling precise control of seed placement and density. These machines can automatically adjust based on pre-programmed terrain and soil maps, ensuring that each seed is planted in the right location and at the optimal spacing. Smart sensors on the machinery have the ability to measure soil depth and moisture, thereby adjusting seed depth to best suit current soil conditions. This not only ensures higher germination rates, but also promotes uniform and robust crop growth. Furthermore, the use of variable rate technology (VRT) allows farmers to adjust the amount of fertilizer applied to each soil area based on specific crop needs and soil nutrient status. The VRT system utilizes data from sensors and soil maps to accurately distribute fertilizers, minimizing waste and reducing negative environmental impacts. Moreover, these technologies are capable of connecting and synchronizing with digital farm management systems, enabling farmers to efficiently monitor and manage the entire production process from planting to harvesting. Data collected from sensors and machinery can be analyzed to provide a comprehensive view of the performance of each farming area, enabling farmers to make decisions based on real-time data. All these advanced technologies not only enhance crop productivity and quality, but also help save costs, protect the environment, and ensure sustainability in agricultural production. The smart irrigation system is used to ensure that crops always receive sufficient water. Sensors in the field monitor soil moisture levels and automatically activate the irrigation system when needed. This helps optimize water usage, reduce waste, and ensure that crops remain in the best conditions for growth. These systems can also be connected to weather stations to forecast rainfall, thereby adjusting the irrigation water appropriately. Additionally, they have the ability to analyze real-time data and provide detailed information to farmers about the soil and crop conditions. This information not only helps improve production efficiency, but also minimizes operating costs and protects the environment. For example, in areas prone to drought, the smart irrigation system can significantly save water by only irrigating when necessary. Conversely, in areas with heavy rainfall, the system will limit irrigation to prevent flooding and other related issues caused by excess water. Furthermore, integrating technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning can make the system smarter over time, automatically adjusting and optimizing irrigation cycles based on environmental factors and specific crop needs. All these factors together create an efficient, water-saving, and environmentally friendly irrigation system, bringing significant benefits to modern agriculture. After planting, the process of caring for the crops becomes crucial to ensure the strong development of American corn. Farmers utilize technology to control weeds, apply pesticides, and fertilize the crops. Modern technology allows farmers to efficiently control weeds with less effort compared to traditional methods. Image recognition systems integrated into agricultural machinery help detect and accurately identify the location of weeds. Then, the system automatically applies herbicides directly to the necessary areas without affecting the surrounding crops. This not only reduces the use of chemicals, but also protects the environment and the health of laborers. For pesticide application, unmanned aerial vehicles drones have become useful tools. Drones are equipped with sensors and high-resolution cameras, enabling them to scan and analyze pest conditions in the field quickly and accurately. Based on the collected data, farmers can identify areas requiring pesticide application and adjust the appropriate dosage, avoiding waste and minimizing negative environmental impacts. Moreover, drones can access difficult-to-reach areas that traditional machinery cannot, ensuring the entire field is protected. Fertilizing crops has also been significantly improved thanks to technology. Variable rate technology (VRT) systems allow farmers to adjust the amount of fertilizer applied to each soil area based on the specific needs of the crops and the soil's nutrient status. Continuous monitoring sensors for soil and crop conditions provide data to the VRT system, helping optimize fertilizer usage. This not only ensures that corn receives enough nutrients for strong growth, but also reduces fertilizer waste and environmental pollution. Furthermore, technologies such as digital crop management systems and artificial intelligence (AI) provide farmers with both an overview and detailed insight into crop conditions. Through data analysis from sensors and machinery, this system makes predictions and suggestions to help farmers make accurate and timely decisions in crop care. As a result, the yield and quality of American corn are significantly improved, while also saving costs and protecting the environment. All these technological advances are changing the way farmers care for crops, enhancing production efficiency, and ensuring the sustainable development of the American agriculture industry. The automated system is programmed to perform scheduled care tasks and provide detailed data on the health of crops. This helps farmers detect and address pest and disease issues promptly, while also optimizing the use of fertilizers and pesticides. Moreover, this automated system also collects and analyzes data on crop health, including moisture levels, nutrient concentrations, and signs of pests and diseases. By monitoring these indicators, farmers can predict and detect pest and disease issues early. This allows them to implement preventive measures and treatments promptly before the issues spread and cause damage to the entire field. In summary, the automated system is not only a useful tool, but also an indispensable part of modern crop care. Integrating technology into agriculture not only improves efficiency, but also creates a sustainable and environmentally friendly production system. When it comes time to harvest corn, technology not only increases harvesting efficiency, but also ensures product quality. Modern machinery assists farmers in harvesting corn quickly and efficiently. Today's corn harvesting machines have become smarter with features for automatic adjustment and optimization. Thanks to sensors and automatic control systems, these machines can accurately and swiftly identify and harvest corn. This helps minimize waste and increase productivity while ensuring that the corn is harvested under optimal conditions for preservation and transportation. Furthermore, technology provides solutions for sorting and separating corn after harvesting. Automated machinery systems can sort corn based on size, shape, and color, helping farmers separate high-quality and uniform corn from lower-quality ones. This ensures that the final product meets market standards and expected quality. In addition to enhancing productivity and quality, modern corn harvesting machines also reduce the labor and time required by farmers. Instead of manually harvesting, which is time-consuming and labor-intensive, they can easily operate these machines to complete the task quickly and efficiently. The combination of GPS systems and smart sensors not only helps farmers control and monitor harvesting machinery efficiently, but also optimizes the overall harvesting process. By minimizing waste and enhancing machinery efficiency, farmers can increase productivity and product quality, thus generating economic and environmental benefits simultaneously in agriculture. After harvesting, corn is transported to processing plants. Advanced technology is also applied in this process to ensure the final product meets standards and safety requirements. The corn processing process is carried out with precision and strict control thanks to the application of modern technology. Automated machinery and equipment are used to separate corn from stalks and husks, remove impurities, and refine corn according to specific standards. The use of machinery helps minimize human intervention in the processing process, ensuring the hygiene and quality of the product. Furthermore, technology plays a crucial role in quality control and food safety. Automated machinery systems and sensors are used to monitor and evaluate parameters such as moisture, size, and color of the corn. This data is processed and analyzed to ensure that corn is processed and packaged correctly, avoiding issues such as contamination or substandard products. This ensures that corn is processed into a final product of high quality and safety for consumer health. Moreover, technology is also applied in data management and product traceability. Digital management systems allow tracking the origin of each batch of corn from the field to the processing plant, ensuring transparency and safety of the product. This not only creates trust for consumers, but also helps address issues related to food security and risk management. Finally, corn is distributed to consumers, bringing economic and nutritional benefits. Through this video, we have seen the importance of technology in enhancing productivity and quality of agricultural products in the United States. In addition to economic benefits, corn also provides a range of important nutrients for health. As a source of protein, vitamins, and minerals, corn helps improve digestion, boost immunity, and maintain heart health. Incorporating corn into daily diets can help consumers maintain a healthy and balanced lifestyle. Above is the most specific answer to the fact that in 2023, corn harvest yield in the United States tripled compared to previous years, marking a significant milestone in the country's agricultural sector. According to data from the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, the average yield reached over 180 bushels per acre, compared to about 60 bushels per acre in previous years. This significant growth is attributed to the application of advanced agricultural technologies, including the widespread adoption of genetically modified corn varieties, which are more resistant to pests and drought. Additionally, the use of precision farming techniques, such as GPS-guided machinery and variable rate technology (VRT) for fertilization, has enhanced resource efficiency and increased productivity. The contribution of these factors has resulted in a substantial breakthrough in U.S. corn production, while also providing economic benefits and food security for the nation. So, we've journeyed through an intriguing exploration of how technology has transformed American agriculture, from the process of planting, nurturing, to harvesting corn. Technology not only boosts productivity, but also brings efficiency and sustainability to the agricultural sector. Technology continues to evolve and progress, with its role in agriculture becoming increasingly vital. From the use of automated machinery to smart control systems, technology has enabled American farmers to enhance productivity and streamline production processes. Applying technology to agriculture not only helps minimize negative environmental impacts, but also creates a more efficient and sustainable production model. Moreover, technology opens up new opportunities and significant potential for the agricultural industry. From utilizing artificial intelligence to forecast weather to implementing blockchain for supply chain management, emerging technologies are being applied to improve efficiency and ensure transparency in agricultural production. With the combination of traditional knowledge and the innovation of technology, American agriculture is entering a new era of development and progress. Leveraging technology is not just a trend, but also an essential factor in ensuring the sustainable development and prosperity of the agricultural sector in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey from the field to the table. It has been an exciting and informative trip where we explored the unique applications of technology in American agriculture and how it has comprehensively changed the way we produce and consume food every day. But this journey is not over yet. To continue following interesting and informative content about agriculture and technology, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications so you won't miss any new videos. Furthermore, we also invite you to share this video with your friends, family, and community. By spreading the message about the importance of agriculture and technology, we can together raise awareness and contribute to the development of sustainable and progressive agriculture. Once again, thank you for participating and supporting us on this journey. See you again in the next videos.